Today we are starting exercise 7.1 and this is the revision. The first question is, in quadrilateral ACBD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. There is figure, in this particular figure they have mentioned, show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. And there is one more part, what can you say about BC and BD? So this is your figure. Let me take here in notebook. This is your quadrilateral ACBD. In this particular quadrilateral they have given AC is equal to BD and line AB bisects this particular angle A in two equal parts. It means what they have given will take first given. जो हमें given है वो हमें लेना है. इसमें क्या दे रखा है इस quadrilateral में? AC is equal to AD and angle A is bisected by line AB. It means कि angle BAC is equal to angle BAD. Angle BAD. These two things they have given. AC is equal to AD and this AC is equal to AD and angle BAC is equal to angle BAD. Fine. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Now proof. प्रूफ में हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू टेक दिस टू ट्रायंगल्स. इन ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल ABD, AC is equal to AD. This AC is equal to AD. It is given. Fine. Second point, angle BAC is equal to angle BAD. This is also given. Now this side AB is equal to AB because we have considered triangle ABC and triangle ABD. तो AB क्या हमारा? It is common side. Now we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by angle side SAS. Fine. And the second part about BC and BD, we can say this BC is equal to BD. BC is equal to BD by CPCT. This is your question number first. Rest you have to do.